So you may be wondering, how can I take my live streams to the next level? How can I highlight my comments? Well, I'm going to show you all that today and more. So the live chat overlay, do a quick Google search. This is an extension for Chrome. So as we go in there, you'll see that I've already downloaded it, but you can go ahead and you can download it. When you download it, go to the options. In options, you're going to see the ability to manipulate a lot of the settings. There is a little bit of a quirk here. The background color I have set to black, which is all zeros, but you can actually set this to transparent and use this as a browser source, but I actually do it as a display capture because I have an extra monitor. That just makes it easier for me, and I don't have to copy the URL in every single time I create a new YouTube live stream, but that may be a better option for you. So the first thing we do is we go to Go Live on our YouTube channel. You'll see that I currently have 2 listed. I'm just going to go to my default one, which is just my schedule here. We're going to go over now and we're going to go to the 3 dots and we're actually going to pop out our chat. You'll see this happen here in a moment. So once we pop out our chat, you'll see on the bottom here we have this black background which I had manually set, but when I click on a comment it automatically pops up, and that's where the magic happens. So all we need to do now is use display capture or the browser source depending on what you want to do, because you can copy that URL, but I'm using a display capture. You can see I already have one set in place. It's called Live Chat Highlight. I'll just go ahead and press OK. I use hold Alt and click in order to crop everything in. That's important. And then I go ahead and I just manipulate it to fit where I want to on my scene. You'll see on the left hand side we still have a red bar. I want that to be a little bit closer to the edge, so I'll do Alt and click, crop it in, bring it over, and here we are. We're set in place, and that looks really good. Now there is a couple more things that I am going to show you. The next thing I'm going to show you is how I have it set up on my other monitor, because that is also important. It needs to be in the same specific location all the time if you're going to use a display capture. If you're using it as a browser source, you don't need to worry about this, but it's very important. So I've got everything set to black like I said. This is how I do it. I have a color key filter set up. The similarity, make sure that you actually set this all the way to the left, or you're going to end up removing some of the text and icons that pop up in your chat itself, I've noticed. So this is our other monitor. This is what it looks like. When I click it, you see it pop up twice because I'm actually capturing it. This is what I'm doing. So when I see your questions, I'm actually just clicking that and it pops up on the OBS feed, which is super awesome. So you'll see it here. I'm just testing it. It pops up really nice. Even uses the emojis, which is really, really cool. So yeah, guys, it's super simple. And I think the result's amazing. So if you like that, guys, please consider giving this video a like. Please consider subscribing for more gaming and streaming tips here at Koi Fish Gaming, and have a great day.